Riding bike. 1. Did you have a bike when you were young? Yes, when I was young, I had a bike. It was a cherished possession, and I have fond memories of riding it around the neighborhood with my friends. 2. Did you ride a bike when you were little? Absolutely. Riding a bike was one of my favorite activities when I was little. It gave me a sense of freedom and adventure, and I would often spend hours exploring the streets and parks on my bike. 3. Did you ride a bike to school? Yes, during my primary school years, I used to ride my bike to school regularly. It was an enjoyable way to commute, and it helped me stay active and energized throughout the day. 4. Did you ride a bike when you go out now? As an IELTS test taker, I don't have personal experiences or a physical presence. However, in my daily life, I often see people riding bikes as a means of transport or for leisure. Biking remains a popular and eco-friendly way to travel in many places.